Over 35 years ago, Xair set out to improve compressed air efficiency and safety by engineering quality products with the best performance and safety specifications. Over the years, our Super Air knives have become popular worldwide as a high-efficiency solution for blow-off, cleaning, drying, and cooling problems. Xair Super Air Knife has been engineered to require only a third of the compressed air of typical blow-offs and entrains ambient air at a 40-to-1 ratio, resulting in lower energy costs and reduced noise levels. It also meets important OSHA standards to keep your personnel safe. Super Air knives are available from stock in a variety of materials, with lengths of up to 108 inches. The variable force and flow, combined with instant on-off capability, gives you the precision necessary for a successful application. Add that to the safety and savings you'll achieve by upgrading to a Super Air knife, and your buying decision is easy. Contact Xair to purchase your Super Air knife today.